Hey everybody, this is David Wolf. Welcome back to Paramotor Crazy. So in this video, you're going to see me flying and have my very first motor out. And as a result, I had to make an emergency landing. And right after the motor out happens, I'm going to put a little box in the top right corner of your screen and click on that, and you'll be able to vote on what you think caused the motor out. I'll give you 4 choices. Right down there, that's Patrick Bryant and Mark Ryder getting ready to take off, or hopefully take off as well. So what a beautiful Friday evening this was. I had a total of 3 hot air balloons that I was able to fly around before the motor out happened. So much fun to fly around the hot air balloons, all the passengers and pilot waving at me and me waving right back. Okay, so here comes the motor out. Listen real close, and I'm going to give you 4 choices, and as soon as the box appears, you tell me what you think happened. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you what did happen. Here we go. Well, there's my first motor out. That stinks. Wow. That'll be interesting to find out what happened there. Alright, gonna take it right down here. Alright, well, we're going to stop the film right there and figure out what the heck happened. Alright, well, I had that motor out. I landed in this barbed wire fence field. I could see the runway of the airport, but I couldn't get over across it. So I'm now heading in the opposite direction. I went around the perimeter and found one gate that had a chain on it. So I've been pushing my paramotor down this road that's really barely even a road. I did look on Google Earth to see what my outs were, and there's a street to the east. My boys are up flying right now. They're going to have to come pick me up afterwards, but right now I'm heading towards the street. But now the street runs right through a creek. So I figured as long as I'm in this mess, I might as well document it all. Make a good video. This sucks. Alright, Paramotor Crazy is out for now. I'll come back soon. Still heading down towards this creek. There's really no way around it. I'm just going to have to go through it. Here, Patrick and Mark, somewhere up in the air. You can tell it's them because you can hear their motor, but only slightly over there laughing at me. Yeah, it was real nice, pretty, and clean. So were my shoes. And now it's about to get real muddy and dirty. I don't think there's any other way but to go through it. So we go through. Ugh. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there goes the shoes. Alright. I see Patrick up there, Mark. One of the 2 guys. You know, 2 of my favorite shows on TV are Survivor and Naked and Afraid. I'm not naked. I'm not even afraid. I'm just wearing a stupid tie-dye shirt. And I'm out in these big, tall grass here, going through someone's backyard apparently, into a street I have no idea where I'm going to end up. And I'm just hoping my paramotor ends up in one piece when it's all done. Alright. There we go. There's my buddies. They're up there in the air. What's up, dudes? Alright. Oh, guess what? Another creek. How sweet is that? Lovely. Another creek. Alright. Oh yeah, baby. And uphill too. This is awesome. Well, I see 2 chains on this gate. Let's hope there's no lock. Oh, good. No lock. On top at least. And not on the bottom. Thank goodness. Wow. This is all uphill. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, this looks cozy. I think we're gonna get Dale killed here. Okay guys, so here's the answer to the question. Right on your screen now is what was wrong with it. I wasn't sure if it was a spark plug or the carburetor or what, but lo and behold, when we finally got back to my car, we changed out the spark plug. That wasn't it. And what we found is that there's this little tube on the top of my fuel tank, and what that does is it vents the fuel tank so that the fuel can flow into the carburetor and of course into the motor. Somehow it closed itself off. Maybe the heat expanded the rubber or whatnot, or it just got clogged, but once it did, that cut off all the fuel going into the carburetor to the motor, and that is what shut off the motor. When I got back home, I used a pin and I was able to stick it into the hole, and and that actually cleared it up. So there's your answer. Well, I made it out to the street. It's definitely better than being in tall grass and streams. And I probably got about at least a 3-mile walk back to the car. And hopefully the boys will come get me before then. So, this is good times. Real good times. Okay. Alright. So, Paramotor's put away for now. Patrick Bryant is on his way to pick me up. I hope this adventure's over. Meanwhile, Mark lost his keys while he was flying, so the adventure begins. Thanks for watching. It's always an adventure here on Paramotor Crazy. Till next time, out.